Yes, girls, sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, I was setting my charger. Yeah, so good morning, everyone. How have you been? All of you.
Good morning, sir.
I'm fine.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good
Very good morning,
morning,
very
sir.
good morning, very good morning. Okay, so which lecture was there before this?
Gujarati.
Gujarati.
Did someone say Gujarati? Gujarati? Which lecture is this? Gujarati?
No, sir.
Gujarati.
Gujarati, okay.
Gujarati.
Gujarati, okay, okay. Fine. So, who teaches you Gujarati?
Alpesh, sir.
Helping, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Great,
sir.
very good. Okay, so let's come back to our topic. Yeah, so Atya Ganyani.
Yes, sir.
What have we done in the last English lecture?
Sir, I am not in English lecture.
In the last English lecture, you were not there? Okay. Junaid Hasmani, who is this?
I am Saima Hasmani.
Okay. Saima, what have we done in the last lecture?
You have explained us chapter 3 and we have write this
We
put
have
number.
write, we have written.
We have written that put
Great.
numbers and sentences.
Okay, so arrange the events in
Se-
the sequence. Ha. Did you speak ha? Okay, just kidding. Anyways, girls, today we're going to write meanings and give one word. And today you will get, perhaps you will get the PDF of whatever we have done in the class. So just when you get PDF, you can copy down everything in the fair book. Till now, you have just written lesson number 1, correct? In which I have given you hard words, I have given you the PDF of meaning, given word, question answers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So remember girls,
Yes.
मैंने आपको लेसन नंबर 1 का जो PDF भेजा, मीनिंग्स, गिवन वर्ड, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, हार्ड वर्ड्स, वो ही खाली फेयर बुक में लिखना था. उसके अलावा कुछ फेयर बुक में लिखने के लिए मना किया था. यस और नो?
Okay,
Yes.
sir. But you had not sent hard words.
हार्ड वर्ड्स इज वेरी सिंपल. सी हार्ड वर्ड्स जब मैंने सेंड नहीं किया तभी मैंने बोला भी था कि हार्ड वर्ड्स मींस व्हाट, द वर्ड्स व्हिच यू फील हार्ड यू कैन राइट इट. डिडंट आई से दैट बेटा?
Oh, yes, we had
So
said,
hardware is
but
not a
you
matter
had.
of concern.
Yeah.
Hardware is not a matter of concern. Hardware is just given in English subject so that you can make your spellings strong. That you
Yes,
can
but
make
you
even by
had
reading the
write.
textbook.
You had write in the fair book or not?
If you want, you can write. If you don't want, now you're in the higher standard. Now hardware is just like the matter of making the spelling strong. For that, I have sent you a PDF file of textbook. You can read the textbook as well.
Yes. Thank you.
Can you see the textbook on the screen first of all?
No, sir.
Let me display and let me explain you. Who asked me this question that you haven't sent the hardware?
I, Kishwani Fatima Zahra.
So Fatima Zahra, say for an example, for me, one straw is the hard word. For you, it is an easy word.
Yes.
Similarly, for Saima, millionaire might be the hard word. For you, it might be the easy word. So hard word, that's way. That is the way. Hard word might be easy word for you. Okay.
Yes.
So the matter of concern is meaning, given word, question answers, or reference to context. But whatever I have given you PDF file, I just asked you to write down that much in your fair book. Whatever we have discussed in the class, I always ask you to write in which book?
Rough book.
Exactly. There you are. Anything else? Or shall
No.
we start?
Yes.
Okay, so people, give the heading lesson number 3. Today's date, subject English. And then there are 3 to 4 meanings. So you can write meanings and give a note on the same page. So just first, in the first line, give the heading, topic, meanings. I'll wait for a minute, and please don't speak anything till 1 minute. Let others be ready. So I hope you all are busy giving in heading so I can drink water. Yes or no? No, I cannot drink. Okay, I will not drink.
Yes, sir. You drink water.
Thank God. Okay, then I'll not speak for a minute. Let me drink water. Until then, you people be ready with the heading. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Those who are ready with the heading, say yes, sir, and mute the mic, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, meanings. Here, I will highlight the meanings with the black box. Number one, shrine, temple. Once you finish writing number one, say yes and mute the mic immediately.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Here there is no meaning. Okay, beta, just a minute. Here, number two meaning is trade exchange.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have doubt.
Yes, sir.
I will tell you last.
Yes.
Next, mention a large house.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So meanings done. Yes, beta. Someone had a doubt, and then they said that. Then she said that I will ask you last. Who was that? Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. One girl spoke that I have a doubt, and then she said that I asked you last. Who was that?
Hi, Keshwani Fatima Zahra.
Yes, Fatima Zehra. What happened?
I am telling that in the meaning you had told it written first time and temper. So in the exam we had to write shine year means I asked to my mom, so she told that year means this lesson में ये है means this lesson में इसका मतलब ये होता है in this lesson.
Huh. So what is the doubt in that, beta?
So in exam we have to write compulsory
It is not compulsory.
means we have to write.
It is not compulsory, I said.
Excuse me, sir. I also have one doubt.
Yes.
We can use whitener in our fair book.
Yes, you can use, but please make sure it should not be so much in amount. Like if occasionally it happens, that's okay. Yes.
Okay.
Anyone else? Anything else? Or shall I start with give one word?
Yes.
Because I will have to explain you how do we have to write give one word. Right now, you have to write it in a rough book. That's the reason, because I'm practically implementing this rule. And then with a good handwriting, with taking your proper time, you can copy down everything in the fair book. Anyways, leave 2 lines and give the heading, give one word. I think that just 3 meanings will not cover up your full page. So you might be having the space there. Please leave 2 lines and give the heading, give one word. There are 3 to 4 give one word, maximum 5, I suppose. So it will again fit in the same page. Once you are ready with the heading, give one word, say yes and mute the mic immediately.
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, girls, don't start writing. Wait for me to explain you properly. Even if you know, please listen to me. Don't speak in between. This is the, sorry, I have to highlight give one word with red. This is first give one word. Now, ये कैसे लिखना है? जैसे लिखा है वैसे नहीं, वैसे
No.
नहीं लिखना है.
We have first of all
बेटा
we have to
फर्स्ट
write.
मुझे बोलने दो ना, बीच में क्यों बोल रहे हो बेटा? मैंने बोला ना आपको आता है, फिर भी बीच में मत बोलना. बोला था ना मैंने. What's your name? Excuse me, what's your name? Fatima Zehra, I suppose, right?
Yes.
Fatima Zehra, beta, you know very well English, so when I'm giving the instruction, please beta wait for me. Okay? Say okay at least in the answer. You can say okay, you can say all right, anything will work. So फिर से लिंक ब्रेक कर दिया ना मेरी बेटा, ये समझते। सी girls, you don't have to copy paste this. Give one word. In given word you have to write the right hand side question, and the left hand side one word is the answer, so that you have to write after finishing the question. So the question is, without any money equals to, answer on the last will be penniless. So without any money ये क्वेश्चन है, उसके बाद लिखना है penniless. All of you, is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes.
Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
किसी को समझ में ना आया हो, you can ask me one more time please. Okay, that means everyone.
Sir, me.
हाँ बेटा,
Sir,
speak in
question.
English.
Question.
Yes, you can ask, what, speak in English.
Sir, this
Without.
with without any ये question है ना?
Yes, without any money is the question. After this you will put equal to, and what you will write in answer? What will you write?
Unless.
Exactly. Now is that clear, beta, everyone?
Okay.
Please
Yes,
start
sir.
writing. Now please don't speak
Yes,
anyone.
sir.
Now please don't speak anyone, because then my screen will not be visible.
Yes.
And girls, one more instruction. Please listen to me very carefully. See, right now you people are writing it in the rough book. Once, when I will send you the message in the group, when you will write give one word in the fair book, at that time, give one word answer should be underlined with pencil in the fair book. Am I making sense? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Fatima Zehra Keshwani, what did I say? Please repeat the instruction.
You had said that when I send the message in the group, I have to write in the file book approximately. So while we write given word, the answer should be underlined with the pencil.
Exactly. Okay. Now I'll not clarify anything. Now I'm going to just highlight the given word with red box. You people don't have to speak anything. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, बेटा? कोई कुछ बोलेगा नहीं. मैं highlight कर रहा हूँ, mic बंद कर रहा हूँ, because then my screen is visible clearly.
So please show the second one. Yes, sir.
I hope you're getting sufficient time for writing this, beta, everyone.
Sir, only 1 second.
Only 1 second. Again, girls, just
Yes.
for the confirmation, everyone, listen to me carefully. Here, samurai is not the question. An ancient Japanese warrior equals to. Then you will have to write the answer samurai. Same thing with stranded.
Done.
Very good.
Can you explain deeply in samurai?
Sir,
Can you please ask me the question properly because your mic is, I think, the voice
I
is
am
not clear.
telling
You're asking me, yes. What
if
are
we
you asking
can
for?
explain samurai. Uh, samurai deeply means that you can
Yes,
explain
yes, yes,
in
yes.
samurai deeply.
Surely I can explain you. See,
sir,
wait a minute, I was just talking with. Yeah, so here, samurai means an ancient Japanese warrior. So, in Japan, the people who fought with the battle, who fought in the battle, एक होते राजा, एक होते सिपाही. One is king, another they are. Hello.
Soldiers.
Yes. So soldiers in the Japan, they were called samurai because in Japan they used to fight the battle, but in the different way. There the martial art, different here like we pursue karate, martial art. So every art of war in every country was in the different way. In Japan, they used to call the warrior, the soldiers, as samurai. Now, is that clear, beta?
Yes.
Samurai were very talented. Samurai, you know, samurai is the best level of karate. In karate, you are having different belts: white belt, orange belt, brown belt, red belt, black belt. In black belt, there are 3 to 4 levels. After you cross all the levels, you get samurai level. So samurai is very high level. And beta, the one who asked me the question, what is your name, beta?
My name is Keshan Fatima Zahra.
फातिमा जहरा. समुराई, their sword, उसकी जो तलवार है ना बेटा, इतनी शार्प होती है कि जो ट्रक का टायर होता है ना, ट्रक का टायर, वो भी एक बार में काट सकती है. इतनी उसकी धारदार तलवार होती है. So sharp the sword is. So the one who clear all the black belt in the karate, at the end after the exam they get samurai sword in the gift. Do you know Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar?
No.
Okay. He is the martial artist and he got the samurai sword.
Okay.
That's why I gave his reference.
Okay.
Thank you for asking. Yeah, can I change the page, beta, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine then. Here, I suppose. This is the last given word.
Then
Saima, how will you pronounce this?
You're someone who had
hair.
It's not hair, it's hair. Like HAIR. So the question is, someone who will inherit all the property or money when its owner dies. Answer, hair. HAIR, hair is on the head. HEIR, hair means father, son, or daughter, and their child. Some diseases you get in hereditary, right? Like if your grandfather or your father had any disease related to heart, your son or you will get the disease. That is called hereditary disease.
Sir, we are explaining that example, someone dead has diseases. So their children and son and daughter all will.
It is not compulsory that they will have the disease. Like you see, my grandfather had the white spot in the hand. Okay. So now I also have that in my hand. So that is hereditary. Or some diseases like especially lungs related. My grandfather had, asthma. I also have asthma disease. I don't have now, with the grace of God.
Okay.
So hair here means the one who takes all of his father and then he pass it on to his son and to his son. That's called hair of that person. Now, this poor man was the heir of the rich merchant, right? Because now he married with his daughter. So whatever the rich merchant had, now it was of the poor man, right? Who was no more poor.
Yes.
सर
Yes, beta.
आप पीडीएफ भेजोगे?
Yes, I told you in the starting of the lesson that I will send whatever you have to write in the fair book.
ओके सर.
Have you completed lesson number 1 in the fair book?
यस सर.
Okay. Now, whenever I will give you the PDF, you will complete poem 2. Right now, don't write anything in the fair book. This is what I've been telling you in all the lectures.
सर.
This is nothing new.
यस सर.
Thank you.
Yes.
हाँ, पर एक चीज है स्टूडेंट्स, पीडीएफ तो हो जाएगा, आपका कॉपी पेस्ट भी हो जाएगा. पीडीएफ में कैसे बोलना है, what is the pronunciation, what is the explanation, that you cannot get in PDF, right?
Yes. Excuse me, sir.
already in
आपने
English.
कहाँ से इतने अच्छी इंग्लिश सीखी है?
Beta, your voice is not clear.
आई एम टेलिंग कि आपने इतनी इंग्लिश कहाँ से सीखी है?
Uh, English कहाँ से सीखी है? I think I don't remember since my childhood. I'm from English medium, so my background, my brother used to talk to me in English. My one of my brother who is in Australia, one of my brothers who is in Australia, he used to talk to me in English. I used to talk to all the customer care executives in English. I used to talk with my friends in English. My friends are in Australia, so I don't know. Like just my background in short.
Okay, okay.
Now
I
it
also,
depends. It depends on you.
I am, yes, I and my friends, we all are doing that we have to speak in English only when we meet.
Very good. So nice of you. So, students, today you have written three meanings and how many given word?
5.
Sure?
Yes,
Pretty sure?
yes.
Okay. What is the meaning of pretty sure?
Yes, sir. Sure.
You, you are sure that we had right 5 only?
That is sure. But what is the meaning of pretty sure?
Yeah,
Are you
then
very
pretty
sure?
sure. E-E-T-Y, pretty sure.
If you are very sure, you are pretty sure. Very is very common word. So I'm using the high level word, pretty. Correct?
Okay.
So any other doubts? Anything?
No, sir. No,
देखो
sir.
और एक बार क्लियर कर देता हूँ. मैंने लेसन नंबर 1 की पीडीएफ बहुत पहले ही भेज दी थी. उतना ही फेसबुक में लिखना था. रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट अभी नहीं भेजे थे तो अभी नहीं लिखना था.
मीनिंग्स और क्वेश्चन आंसर ही थे सर.
मीनिंग्स थे, गिवन वर्ड थे, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स थे. ध्यान से देखना पीडीएफ.
No, yes, send only meanings, given one and question answers.
हाँ, उतना ही लिखना था. बहुत क्लियरली बोल दिया था. शायद हाँ इंग्लिश में बोल रहा था तो समझ में नहीं आया होगा कितने लोगों को
सर.
पर अभी हिंदी समझ में आता है. बेटा एक मिनट, एक के साथ बात कंप्लीट कर लूं. हाँ तो शायद तभी इंग्लिश में बोला होगा तो हाँ आपको नहीं समझ में आया होगा. अभी हिंदी तो समझ में आ रहा है. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर जितना भेजा है उतना ही फेयरबुक में लिखना है. बाकी जो भी डिस्कस हो रहा है लेक्चर में, हर बार मैं आपको यही बोलता हूँ कि रिमूव योर रफ बुक, ओपन द रफ बुक एंड राइट दिस हेडिंग, राइट द सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश. अगर फेयरबुक में लिखना हो तो मैं सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश क्यों लिखवाऊंगा? फेयरबुक इंग्लिश की अलग से ही होती है ना. दिस इज अ मैटर ऑफ कॉमन सेंस. हाँ अभी कौन बोल रहा था बेटा?
यस सर, मेरा लेसन 2 बाकी है.
लेसन 2 मैंने भेजा ही नहीं, आपको लिखना भी नहीं है बेटा. अभी जब भेजूंगा तभी लिखना है. ये अभी थर्ड टाइम लेक्चर में रिपीट कर रहा हूँ मैं, वो भी हिंदी में बेटा. और कोई डाउट है डियर?
नो सर.
और लेसन 2 नहीं है, आई थिंक पोएम 2 है ना, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
Yes, that is Alexander 28.
ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे, गुड बाय.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye. Have a nice day.